Okay. All right. Go ahead. This is group 6. Keep it up to the line. Okay.
The water's just building up at the top.
Yes, it's gonna touch the house.
Okay, keep the pressure constant. Keep it up to that line. Let's see.
Just like slowly.
Alright, water is starting to go around your dam. That's pretty good.
Okay.
Like that you're scared.
Keep it going, Colby. Keep it going. Up to the line. That's it.
No, it's gonna make it. Oh my gosh, it's gonna make it. This is scary.
Okay, now they have a big giant sand pile with gravel kind of right in the
It's
middle.
gonna make it water touch.
Okay.
Water touch.
Reinforced with popsicle sticks and toothpicks.
It's gonna make it. No.
We're getting really close to touching the house over here.
Very close. I think it's touching.
It touched.
One house is gone.
2 houses.
2 houses.
3.
And
Almost 3.
Keep on.
2.5 so far. Alright, keep it. Put constant pressure.
That's 15 points. No!
Half house.
15. It's 20. 20 points you have. Or now you are.
30.
Wait, you have 15.
There's 30 wrong. You just lost 15.
Oh, we're finally starting to get some water coming out the other end here.
Oh, wait. Look on the left side. I think it's
Okay.
We have like 3 quarters of a liter.
A lot of water left. Oh, that bottom's getting pretty moist.
At least those don't sink. Almost a full house.
Third house gone.
I'm trying to think.
What about that third
house?
That one house is gone, I think. It has. Can we do one more?
2 minutes and 13 seconds.
They have 4 houses. Zach, 2 minutes and 13 seconds.
Now 2 minutes and 20.
Would you just do this?
Yeah,
please.
No, I would rather do lightning
Like,
shorts.
watch the video there. Take a step back. Zach.
Come on. So why'd you make that go around?
Right, so they are getting some going around the sides right here. But unfortunately, it kind of curved in.
Dug that out.
Are we allowed to revise our thing after we watch theirs?
Nope.
I think I'm gonna die. You're gonna
Once we start, it's kind of hard to,
The house is
fair
on.
to.
Say bye-bye.
People are probably dead.
They're drowning. Oh no, nice job.
One house is drowned. No, they're probably on top of the
It's called flooded. How much houses got hit?
Well, these 3
Almost
definitely
all
got hit.
Those 2
And they even moved the houses.
Maybe the people would jump up there.
This guy over here definitely got hit.
That one. That one.
He
looks
pretty
like
much
it.
got
The people
it.
probably got up there.
I'll give you kind of one house, unfortunately.
5? You guys got 5
Alright,
points.
so they got
5 points.
5
We lost 25.
out of 30. Not easy, is it? That's a lot of water to
We
come
lost
through this
25
thing.
out of 30.
Yeah.
You guys are gonna do a lot of
Alright,
work.
thank you, Gabe. Just put it straight
No, we
down.
lost 25 points.
I'm not
We
doing
had
it.
5.
5 out of 30. Better than nothing.
Wait,
Alright,
do we
thank
have
you,
to